Hey everyone, welcome back to Take Best. Today we're checking out the top 10 best robot vacuums that can actually keep your floors spotless without lifting a finger. Let's be real, between work, life, and everything else, nobody has time to sweep daily. That's why we've tested the latest models to find the ones that truly deliver. Think powerful suction, smart mapping that learns your home, and quiet operation that won't disturb your Netflix binge. And trust me, the difference between a basic bot and a top-tier cleaner is night and day. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. Eufy. The Eufy RoboVac is perfect for busy homeowners who want a consistently clean home without lifting a finger. Featuring advanced laser navigation and smart dynamic mapping, this sleek robot vacuum learns the layout of your home for efficient, room-by-room cleaning. Equipped with powerful suction and a tangle-free brush roll, it effortlessly lifts dirt, dust, and pet hair from hard floors and low-pile carpets. Its slim 3.8-inch profile allows it to glide under furniture, reaching hidden debris with ease. Whether you schedule a daily clean or command it through your smart speaker, the Eufy RoboVac delivers superior performance with minimal maintenance. Lightweight yet durable, it is the essential, time-saving solution for any modern household seeking effortless cleanliness. Kilgone. Kilgone is the perfect solution for anyone seeking a fast-acting, reliable way to eliminate unwanted odors and bacteria in their home or gear. Featuring a powerful, enzyme-based formula, this versatile spray works on contact to break down organic messes from pets, spills, and sports equipment without harsh chemicals. Made from safe, biodegradable ingredients, it is gentle enough for use on carpets, upholstery, bedding, and even laundry, leaving behind a fresh, clean scent. Its non-staining, residue-free application ensures surfaces remain pristine while delivering superior cleaning power. Whether you are tackling a stubborn pet accident or refreshing a musty gym bag, Kilgone provides an effortless, effective clean. Compact and ready to use, it is an essential addition to any household or active lifestyle that demands freshness and hygiene. Roborock. The Roborock is the perfect intelligent cleaning solution for busy homeowners who demand a spotless home without sacrificing their valuable time. Featuring advanced LiDAR navigation and powerful suction technology, this robotic vacuum and mop effortlessly maps your entire floor plan while delivering a deep, thorough clean on carpets and hard floors alike. Made from durable, high-quality materials and equipped with a large dustbin and water tank, it operates for extended periods without needing constant attention. Its sleek, low-profile design allows it to glide seamlessly under furniture and into tight corners, ensuring no area is left untouched. Whether you are managing a hectic work schedule or simply prefer relaxation over chores, the Roborock combines cutting-edge automation with reliable performance, making it an essential upgrade for any modern smart home. Airzeen 6000 Pascals. The Airzeen 6000 Pascals is perfect for anyone seeking a powerful and portable cleaning solution for their home or car. Featuring an impressive 6,000 pascals of suction, this vacuum effortlessly lifts embedded dirt, dust, and pet hair from carpets, upholstery, and hard floors. Made from durable, lightweight materials, it is designed for comfortable handling during extended cleaning sessions. Equipped with a high-efficiency filtration system, it captures fine particles and allergens, promoting a healthier living environment. Its compact size and cordless design allow you to easily maneuver into tight spaces and store it without hassle. Whether you need a quick tidy-up or a deep clean, the Airzeen 6000 Pascals combines exceptional power with user-friendly convenience, making it an essential tool for maintaining a spotless home. Airzeen 6000 Pascals. The Airzeen 6000 Pascals is perfect for homeowners and car enthusiasts seeking powerful, cordless cleaning in a sleek, portable design. Featuring an impressive 6,000 pascals of suction, this vacuum effortlessly lifts embedded dirt, dust, and debris from carpets, upholstery, and vehicle interiors. Made from durable, lightweight materials, it offers superior maneuverability without sacrificing performance. Equipped with a high-efficiency filter and a rechargeable battery, it ensures consistent, powerful operation for quick cleanups between deep cleans. Its compact build allows for easy storage in a glove box or kitchen drawer, while the included crevice tool and brush attachment tackle tight spaces and delicate surfaces. Tikom. The Tikom is perfect for homeowners seeking effortless, intelligent cleaning that adapts to their busy lifestyle. Featuring advanced LiDAR navigation, this robot vacuum creates precise maps of your home for efficient, methodical cleaning without missing a single spot. Equipped with powerful suction and a self-emptying base, it automatically disposes of debris into a large dust bag, allowing you to enjoy weeks of hands-free operation. Made from durable materials, its sleek, low-profile design glides smoothly under furniture, reaching dirt in tight spaces that manual cleaning often misses. Whether you have hard floors, carpets, or pets, the Tikom delivers superior performance with minimal maintenance. Its reliable smart mapping and automatic dirt disposal make it an essential tool for anyone who values a consistently clean home without sacrificing their valuable time. Shark AV2501S. The Shark AV2501S is perfect for busy homeowners seeking a powerful, hands-free cleaning solution that delivers exceptional performance on any floor type. Featuring advanced self-cleaning brush roll technology, this vacuum actively removes hair wrap during operation, eliminating the need for manual maintenance and keeping your machine running at peak efficiency. Made with a high-efficiency motor and a sealed HEPA filtration system, it captures and traps 99.9% of dust and allergens, making it an ideal choice for households with pets or allergy sufferers. Its sleek, low-profile design glides effortlessly under furniture, while the large-capacity dust bin reduces the frequency of emptying. Whether you are tackling carpets or hard floors, the Shark AV2501S combines superior suction, intelligent navigation, and durable build quality to ensure a consistently deep clean. Shark 60-Day. The Shark 60-Day is perfect for anyone seeking a powerful, long-lasting solution for clean dishes without the hassle of frequent replacements. Featuring advanced cleaning technology, this dishwasher detergent delivers exceptional grease-cutting power and streak-free shine for up to 2 full months. Made from a concentrated formula, it requires less product per load while still tackling stubborn food residue and baked-on messes. Its efficient design ensures optimal performance in both standard and high-efficiency machines, saving you money and reducing waste over time. Whether you have a busy household or simply prefer low-maintenance upkeep, the Shark 60-Day provides superior cleaning results with every cycle. Compact and easy to store, it fits neatly under any sink. For dependable, long-term dish care, this product is an essential addition to your kitchen routine. iRobot. The iRobot Roomba is the perfect cleaning companion for busy homeowners who want effortless daily floor maintenance. Featuring advanced navigation sensors, this intelligent vacuum efficiently maps your home and cleans every corner without missing a spot. Equipped with powerful 3-stage cleaning and a high-efficiency filter, it captures dust, dirt, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors, leaving your surfaces spotless. Its self-charging capability means it automatically returns to its base when the battery runs low, ensuring it is always ready for its next scheduled job. Whether you are at work or relaxing at home, the Roomba works autonomously, saving you valuable time and energy. Its sleek, low-profile design glides under furniture with ease, while the quiet motor allows for discreet operation. iRobot. The iRobot Roomba is the perfect solution for busy homeowners and pet lovers who want consistently clean floors without sacrificing their valuable time. Featuring advanced navigation technology and powerful 3-stage cleaning, this robot vacuum intelligently maps your home and adapts to different floor surfaces for a thorough clean every time. Equipped with a high-efficiency filter that captures 99% of allergens and pet dander, it creates a healthier indoor environment for your family. Its slim, compact design allows it to glide effortlessly under furniture and along edges, reaching dirt that manual vacuums often miss. Whether you schedule a daily cleaning or command it from your smartphone, the Roomba delivers effortless, automated maintenance. With its reliable performance and smart features, the iRobot Roomba is an essential addition to any modern home.